Chapter 2, Conceptual Framework of Accounting. The first one is the bookkeeping. Bookkeeping on introductions. Bookkeeping, the form the base for the preparation of financial statement and the inter preparations which are the important functions of accounting. So accounting is including the bookkeeping of also to the small business. To enter the accounting may be prepared by the single accountant. In large firm, that may be the separate person or department for bookkeeping is the work. So next one is the definition of bookkeeping. What is the definition? So bookkeeping is a science and art of the recording correctly in the books of account in all those business transactions of money or money's worth. So next one is preparation for the futures of bookkeeping. என்னென்ன futures இருக்கு? It is the process of recording the transaction in the books of accounts. Next one is the monetary transactions only the recording in the accounting accounts. So next one is the bookkeeping is the primarily stage in the accounting process. So next one is the bookkeeping including the journalizing and ledger is posting. So next one, what are the objectives of bookkeeping? The bookkeeping is to complete and permanent record of the business transactions. In order under the appreciate the headings. Two, second one is a facilitate ascertain of the profit or loss of the business on specific period. So third one to facilitate ascertain of the financial positions. So next one they find out the tax uh, liabilities. Next one is prepared to know the progress of the business. To next one to fulfill the legal requirement. This all the points is the objectives of bookkeeping. So next one is what are the advantages? அதோட நன்மை என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா the transactions are recording the systematically in the books of accounts. The bookkeeping is the permanent and reliable records in the business transactions. Bookkeeping is useful to get the financial informations. Financial informations எல்லாம் gather பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். It helps to the control over the business activities. Next one is the records provided by the business as the legal evidence in case of day of distributes. So next one is comparisons of financial informations over the year is possible. So also the comparison of all financial informations of different business unit is facilitated. The bookkeeping is useful to find out the tax liabilities. Next one, disadvantages or limitations of bookkeeping is only the monetary transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. So next one is the effect of price level changes are not considered. Next one is the financial data are recorded in the historical natures. Only the past data are recorded. So it's a limitations. Next one is the bookkeeping accounting உள்ள differences. First one is scope. Scope na so bookkeepingல வந்து only considered with the recording the classifying and business transaction மட்டும். So accountingல concerned with the recording, classifying and summarizing, analyzing and interpreting the financial data. So next one, second one is a stages. The bookkeeping is a primarily stage of accounting in the base of accounting. The first எடுத்தோன்னே bookkeeping the primary stages. Next one is a apart from the primarily stages, it's including the secondary stages also analysis and interpretation. The second one is accounting. Third one is nature of job. It is a rotate in the nature of job. It's analytical in nature. Fourth one is the acknowledged record. It's record basic knowledge of the principle of journalism and posting. So in this record through the knowledge of accounting principles, procedures and practicals. Skill records. The analytical skills are not record for the bookkeeping is record the analytical skills. This one is the bookkeeping is accounting is the differences. In the next one is the relationship of among the bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. First of all is preparation of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is part of accounting. It is a primary stage of accounting. It is a process of all recording the transaction in books of accounts. Accounting is part of accountancy. Accounting is a process of recording, analyzing, and classifications, interpreting of financial data. Accountancy is a systematic knowledge of accounting. So process of contain the standard principles or policies and procedures also following the accounting. So accounting principles இருக்குது. Accounting principles is followed the accounting concept. Accounting concept is the basic concept of conditions upon the accounting upon the laid accounting concept as the result of board of consequences. So the word concept means the observations which are generally accepted accounting concepts provided the unifying unifying structures to the accounting process and the accounting result. So accounting concept so different types of different important concept இருக்கு. First one business entity concept, next one is money measurement concept, next one the going concern concept, third one is the cost concept, next one is the dual accept concept, next one is the periodically concept, next matching concept, next one is the realization concept, next one is the objectives evidence concept, next one is the cruel concept, next one is the convention of consency, next one convention of full disclosure, next one is convention of materiality, some next one is the convention of conversations concept. Then all the concepts is entering the accounting concept. So next accounting standard, accounting standards வந்து so first need of accounting standard. What are the needs? They promote the better understanding for financial statement. So next one to help the to helping accounts to follow the informed procedures or practicals. So to facilitate meaningful comparisons of financial statement to more entitled. So next one to engage reliability for financial statement to meet the legal requirement efficiently. So all the needs of concept. It's an accounting standard means the standard of accounting in Indian standard of accounting is issued by the Institute of Chartered Account of India. Is the Council of the Institute of Chartered Accounting of India constituted accounting standard board ASB on the 21st April 1977, recognizing the need for accounting standard in India. ASB formulated accounting standard so that such standard may be established by the Council of the Institute in India. The ASB will consider the applicable law, customs, and usage of business, environmental, and the international accounting standards while forming the accounting standard AS in India. Is all the business transaction entered in the accounting standard in India. இந்த டாபிக் இதோட முடிவடையுது. இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.